A dirty pot is frustrating. Burnt stains and grease make cleanup slow and exhausting. Don't worry, in tip number 1, I will show you how to clean them very simply without touching them. First, I just need to drop a piece of tissue inside. Add a little dish soap along with some water. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then, I put the lid back on the pot. Next, I gripped the pot firmly and shook it vigorously for a few seconds. As you shake it, the paper towel will move around inside the pot, acting like a soft scrubbing cloth to help remove any remaining sauce and grease. Then, I poured away the dirty water and rinsed it again with clean water. The result is a much cleaner pot without having to scrub hard from the start. A small but very useful tip, especially for sauces that tend to stick, such as tomato sauce or thick sauces after cooking. If you dread washing the pan after frying eggs, don't miss this tip. Simply prepare a sheet of parchment paper and cover the pan with it. Then, brush a thin layer of oil onto the surface of the parchment paper. Then crack the eggs into the pan and fry as usual. Thanks to the parchment paper, the eggs don't come into direct contact with the pan, so they hardly stick and don't leave any burnt residue. Once cooked, simply lift the eggs out and the pan will be almost clean. A very simple but extremely useful tip that saves cleaning time, especially when you just want to quickly prepare a light breakfast. After frying food, throwing away the leftover oil is quite wasteful. In this tip, I'll show you a simple trick to filter the oil and reuse it for the next frying session. It's very easy to do. Just take a clean paper towel and place it over the mouth of a glass jar or bottle. Then, use a string or rubber band to tie it securely, creating a sturdy filter layer. Next, slowly pour the frying oil onto the paper towels. The paper towels will trap the burnt residue, food crumbs, and impurities, while the cleaner oil will slowly drain to the bottom. With just one simple kitchen item, you can quickly and neatly filter oil without needing any specialized tools. This method makes the oil clearer and cleaner, and it can be reused for frying once more, saving money and reducing waste. Want poached eggs but with a more appealing flavor? Try this method. First, I separate one egg, keeping the yolk aside. Put the egg whites in a bowl, add chopped scallions and grated cheese, then whisk well. Next, cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Pour half of the egg white into it. Place the egg yolk in the center, then cover it with the rest of the egg. Gather them into small bags, secure them, and drop them into a pot of simmering water for about 5 minutes. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When cooked, remove from the oven, place on a slice of bread, remove the plastic wrap, and enjoy. The egg is soft and smooth, the cheese is rich and flavorful, and the runny yolk inside blends perfectly with the stretchy cheese, making it incredibly appealing. If you often keep eggs in a basket or container and find that they easily bump into each other, causing the shells to crack, then this is a good sign. Here's a very simple tip to help you get perfect eggs. Instead of letting the eggs touch each other directly, I used a soft paper towel to gently wrap each egg before placing them in the basket. This layer of paper towels will create a thin cushion, reducing impact force when moving or handling the eggs. This helps keep the eggs more stable, minimizing the risk of accidental cracking or breaking. Additionally, the paper towels also absorb moisture if the eggs are wet, keeping them dry and clean. Transform sausages into beautiful flowers. You just need to cut the sausage in half. Then, at each section, use a knife to make 4 cuts at the beginning, but leave the base intact so they don't separate. Place the pan on the stove and add a sufficient amount of oil. When the oil is hot, add the sausages and fry them. With this cutting method, when exposed to heat, the ends of the sausage will automatically spring open and curl upwards, forming a shape resembling small, eye-catching flower petals. Next, use a bamboo skewer to pierce through the tail end of the sausage. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When finished, simply place them in a vase. Not only do the cuts look better, but they also help heat penetrate deeper and cook the meat more evenly, preventing it from burning on the outside while remaining cold on the inside. Tip 7. First, I cut a piece of aluminum foil and rolled it into a long round strip. This tip will help you make more visually appealing fried eggs. Then, I bent and joined the 2 ends together to form a small circle, like a homemade egg frying mold. This method is very convenient when you don't have a mold readily available in the kitchen. Next, I placed the foil mold on the hot pan and sprayed a thin layer of oil inside to prevent sticking. Then, I cracked an egg directly into the center of the mold. Thanks to this mold, the egg will maintain a neat and attractive round shape while frying, making it perfect as a sandwich topping. Once the eggs reached the desired doneness, I gently lifted the mold and placed the egg mixture on a slice of bread. The finished product is a perfectly round egg, both beautiful and compact, ideal for sandwiches or a quick breakfast at home. So, today we've had a wonderful time in the kitchen together with 7 simple cooking tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.